Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial on how to check your laptop battery health. If you are a laptop user, you know how important is it to keep your battery in good condition for optimal performance and longevity. Over time, laptop batteries can lose their capacity to hold a charge, resulting in shorter battery life and reduced overall performance. In this video, we will show you a few simple methods to check your laptop battery health, so that you can monitor its performance and take the necessary step. So let's get started. For that, you have to open the command prompt as an administrator. You can do this by searching for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Right clicking on it and select Run as Administrator. Administrator command prompt page will open. So here you have to type one command. The command is power cfg space / battery report. And you have to press on enter. If successful, the command prompt will tell you a battery life report were saved to C Windows System 32. So it will save in a HTML format. So here you will find the full path where the battery report has been generated. Okay. So now you have to open this directory. So for that I need to just minimize this. I need to open this directory. For this you have to just double click on this PC and you have to go to the C drive, and here you will find Windows. Double click on it. Now here you have to search for System 32 and double click on it. After that you need to look for battery report. So type battery over here and here you will find the battery report. Since the battery report is recorded as an HTML documents, you can view it at any web browser. So you need to just double click on it. When you open the file, it will show you details about your laptop battery. So these are the details laptop battery report. So here you will find the computer name, system product name, BIOS, OS build and so on. Okay. Here you will also find installed battery details, battery manufacturer, serial number. So here you will find design capacity and full charge capacity. And it's showing over here design capacity is 48840 milliwatt hour and the full charge capacity is 25919 milliwatt hour. This is much lower than the design capacity. So what is the difference between design capacity and full charge capacity? The design capacity is the original strength of the battery and the full charge capacity is performance you are currently getting. So as the full charge capacity number goes down, you will get less battery life. If the full change capacity is much lower than the design capacity, it's time for a new battery, means you have to change the battery. So here you will find my full charge capacity is much lower than the design capacity, almost half. So in this scenario I need to change my battery immediately. Okay. So it will be always better if your design capacity and full charge capacity is almost same. So in my case it is much lower, so I need to change my battery. So this information you will get from this battery report. So this is how you can use this information to determine the health of your laptop battery. That's it. Hope it was helpful. Please do like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just comment down below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.